This is 71 Annis Road. It's a newer double wide on its own lot. It does have a detached one-car garage, which is a little wider than some. It's easy parking for one vehicle or gives some good storage, which is nice. Good spot on Annis Road, only about a half a mile down Route 2. It does have a nice lot too because it sits back from the road a little bit. You have a nice private backyard. It is a real 3-bedroom. You notice here it does have a fire pit. Backyard again, kind of nice. And it's got a really good sized deck here in the back. It is a cold day today though. As you walk in, you've got this laundry mudroom area. You've got plenty of room for a side-by-side dryer, washer, and then extra space to hang stuff. Tenant just moved out of this, so it hasn't been cleaned or anything, but tenant was pretty good. So it has a kind of oversized kitchen. A lot of times these style double wides have just got like a galley kitchen. This has got a big extra cabinet bay over on this side, plus a countertop, plus it wraps around. So it's not closed off from the rest. It's got a huge living room. A lot of times it's hard to do sectionals or, you know, more than a couch. This would be an easy. And then you'll notice over here you've got a real dining area. Then of course it wraps around to the kitchen. There is a dishwasher part on top. He bought a new part for the dishwasher that's being installed. And then this is maybe a better view of the back deck. Huge for like grill and patio set, etc. Pretty much anything can fit there. The way this is set up, you've got a master suite on that side and then 2 bedrooms on this end. And again, sometimes these have like really tiny bedrooms. These are really good size, cathedral ceiling. And then you've got, this has got some built-in shelving, but it's also got walk-in closet, which is kind of unusual for the spare bedrooms anyways. It's got the sort of main bath or guest bath here, which is a full. It has some storage above. And then you've got 3rd bedroom here as well, which again is pretty big, and it's got its own little walk-in. So that completes the other 2 bedrooms, and then on this side you'll notice it's got the master on this end. It's nice because the bedrooms are separated, and this easily do a king-size bedroom set. I think the other 2 bedrooms actually do king-size, but this is nice to have that. And then you've got, again, walk-in closet here. And the bathroom for the master has got a tub, toilet, of course, but then it's also got a separate shower. So you get that, and they've got extra storage closets there, and then a pretty good sized vanity with storage cabinet there. And again, it's cathedral ceiling here too. So it's cathedral ceiling throughout the whole home, which is really pretty nice. If you need a 3-bedroom, it's kind of hard to find in the Hermon area. Or if you need all 1-floor living, this is a great option. So visit us at rentbangor.com.